Welcome back to the another video on Blogger page speed improvement tutorials, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Blogger WIDGETS.JS error. So Blogger load a JavaScript file in your website. So if you run a page speed test, you will see a error like this: reduce unused JavaScript. So these are the JavaScript that is not being used on our website and it is loading unnecessarily and slowing down our website. So let me click on here and you can see this is the code that is being loaded by Blogger itself. So you will not find this code in your Blogger theme code, but you can block this and improve your website speed. So to solve this, you need to go to your Blogger dashboard, go to theme and take a backup of your theme code first, and after that click on edit HTML. Now you need to add a small code at the end of your theme code. So let me scroll down and here you will find the closing body tag. So we need to replace this code with a new code. So I will provide the code link in the description. So this is the new code. We need to copy this and replace our closing body tag. You can also use this code for head tag and closing head tag as well. So for now, let me replace the closing body tag with the new code. So this basically does is comment out all the JavaScript that is being loaded by Blogger, and we can prevent that from loading in the front end. So let's check if this issue is solved or not. So let me quickly save this and now rerun the test. So let's scroll up. Let me open the PageSpeed Insight in a new tab. Let me copy the page URL and paste it. Now let's analyze it again. Alright, now scroll down here and you can see the error is now gone. So earlier if you scroll down, you will see a new error in the diagnostic section, reduce unused JavaScript. But now if you go to the new test result, you will not see the same error, widget.js. So in this way, you can fix this issue and you can improve your page loading speed. So earlier the speed is around 85, now it is improved to 88. So it is quite easy to fix the widget.js error in Blogger website. You just need to replace your closing body tag with a new code, and I have provided the code link in the description. Just copy it and replace your closing body tag. So it is quite easy to implement, and let me know if this problem is solved or not. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.